Hi everyone, welcome to Caddist. This is Chaitanya. Today topic is creation of corner sofa. First we need to open software. Take rectangle of some dimension like 10 feet length, 3 feet width. At one more corner, we need to draw one more rectangle of 8 feet length, 3 feet width. Take erase tool, trim these lines. For corner smooth, take one arc. For corner smooth, take one arc. Erase these lines. Select push-pull option. Give some height that is equal to height of the sofa. Take offset for design of supports. Draw line on corners. Take erase. Take push-pull below it. Next we need to design seats. Take line to divide the seats. Like this we can divide the seats. Again create guidelines or measure tool. Use some thickness. I give 1 inches. Take rectangles, draw. Go to edit, delete guides, select push pull, give one time control, then give the thickness of seats. Same for all seats. To give any shapes to the corners, take one arc. Take follow me tool. After that, select completely and make group. For the application of materials, go to paint bucket, shortcut B, select material, any one of the material and apply. To give any cushion type of material or cushion type of sofa, select sofa, go to windows, select soften edges. Here we can change the values also. This step we can create a L-shaped sofa. Thank you for watching this video.